Hello? Today we're unpacking the $1 trillion software shakeout and why your stack is either becoming an exoskeleton for your business or a legacy tax. Since late 2024, more than $1 trillion in SaaS market value has disappeared. This isn't a normal downturn, it's a structural rejection of software that only records work instead of executing it. For leaders, the distinction is now binary. Tools that help humans report are depreciating, while tools that actually do the work are appreciating. The market is splitting into two clear categories. These platforms sit in the transaction layer or security perimeter. Payments, security, commerce engines. They execute real business processes and generate data as a byproduct. They don't need humans to type things in to create value. These are traditional systems of record. Their main purpose is storing data for human oversight. Tickets, status updates, reports. If value depends on manual input, AI agents can now bypass the interface entirely using APIs. The UX era assumed humans were the operators. The MX era assumes autonomous agents are. By 2030, roughly 20% of B2B revenue is expected to come from machine customers, AI agents that negotiate and execute purchases. Durable architecture must shift from human to interface workflows to service execution. Success is no longer measured by attention, it's measured by execution, API reliability, latency, and completion rates. To avoid paying the legacy tax, leaders need three major shifts. Break data out of application silos. A centralized semantic layer lets AI reason across the organization without custom integrations. If agents can't understand your data without a human, your data isn't usable. Passwords and 2FA slow autonomous workflows. Durable systems use mutual TLS and short-lived tokens to verify actions by authorized agents, not users. If you're paying per seat for software agents operate, you're subsidizing inefficiency. Shift to usage or outcome-based contracts. Vendors without a stable agent pathway are likely replacement candidates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.